getting a little wet outside. Run for cover, Chloe. I can't see you. Tornado warnings.
What?
Whoa. I don't know if it's gonna show up on video, but like the rain bands are just... Come here, look at this, babe. This is so cool.
Is it rain?
Yeah. But look, you can like see like the bands flying through the air. It's crazy. Look to the left. Look to the left. Up here. Look to the left. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That's so weird looking. This is our excitement for our first day back to work. Alright. Right?
Yep.
You're very dark. I can't see anything on the viewfinder.
And it's got so tan.